Alright guys, so last time I demonstrated my first use of the Bauer brushless pressure washer, and some of the comments I made is this tank is pretty much useless when you put the cleaner in here. It doesn't really suck up the cleaner effectively, and it's really hard to dump the soap from this little tanking area. So I went ahead again. I'm still gonna be using the same wash wax cleaner, but I went on to Amazon and I bought a foaming canyon, and this is one of the cheapest available that had also included additional heads. I mean, I don't really need those additional heads because, as you can see over there, I have some heads available already, but they did include some extra heads with different angles for you to try. The brand is Tool Daily. This is probably the highest selling volume foaming canyon from that price range. I'm just gonna open it up and let you guys see what's included in here. So you have a little thing to suck up the soaps, and you have the actual foaming gun. You have an instructional manual, how to disassemble and connect all the parts for service. It's brass, so pretty good construction quality if you ask me. For I got this for like, I think $17, which includes everything here. Okay, as you can see, very nice. Those are the heads, and I think they also included a additional pin for you to clean, just like the Bauer. So it looks like keeping the head or keeping the hole cleaned with the pin is absolutely necessary to make sure it doesn't get clogged up. And so let's take a look at the gun. So on this side, I believe you connect, let's see, this you connect to here. Okay, this controls the flow rate of the soap, so depends on how fast you want the thing to be flowing through the gun. And this is the connection area. So, and I hope it works better than the Bauer's integrated cleaner tank. And for this one, you can know the ratio much better. I'm just pushing the foam out. Okay, so that's about 1 liter, and we're gonna come back outside. All right, we're almost there. I put the foaming gun on the top. The foaming gun is interesting because you can't attach anything here because it just splashes out foams. If you turn this, it controls, I guess, the spread of the foam or the fineness of the foam. And here you control the flow. Right now I have it turned all the way off, so there's no flow sucking the foams, sucking the soaps here. As you gradually turn it on, it's gonna suck the foam along with the pressure washer water, and it's gonna spit out some sort of foam that's generated through this plastic thing. Okay, so it's ready. And again, as I said, I'm gonna first clean my wife's car just a little bit. It looks clean, but it's actually pretty dirty. So again, just a general clean to wash off the debris, and then we're gonna foam the car, see how well it works. And also want to show you guys is the quality of the head that they included. Actually, it feels better constructed than the one that came with the Bauer. The two in the front is from the Bauer, and this is from the foaming gun. Okay, so the foaming gun one, I think, even comes with, no, those are just markings. Yeah, it seems better polished than the one from the Bauer. And if you look in here, they look pretty much the same. So you do have some extras, which is good, compared to just having the pressure washer alone. And also they give you a, I think this is a 0 degree offset, so no offset, very narrow beam, so very high concentration. And this one is a very wide spread of 40-degree spread, so it's like a large fan area for less pressure but larger coverage area. I think I'm going to be interested in checking out the 40-degree spread as opposed to the 25, which I used before. More spread is always better, right? And I don't really need super strong power to, you know, wash off any kind of super tough gunk. If you do, you have options over there at 0 degree, and you also have the option for the super high pressure turbo washer, whatever that came with the power. All right, so let's get started. Again, I'm not gonna show you guys the whole video. I'm just gonna start cleaning and give you guys feedback after I finish cleaning. All right, you guys know what's funny? I literally just attached the 45 degree, a 40 degree spreading head, and I hit the button, and it actually shoots out that head, and I lost the head somewhere in my yard. I couldn't even find it, so couldn't give you any comments on the 40 degree spread. I have to go back to the 25 degree spread and just use that to clean the car. Okay, as usual. That's just the funny part. Guess what, guys? I'm pretty impressed. Look at this. This is like after probably less than 30 seconds of spraying. Very good coverage. And I only used about 10% of the foam. You have to play around with the adjustment head and this knob. I don't really know what plus minus means, but I put it on minus, that actually produces most of the foam. And if I put it on plus, it doesn't produce as much foam. So I'm using close to minus adjustments. And over here, this controls the spread. It's really small adjustment makes a huge difference. So yeah, you have to just find the best adjustment angle for you to spray the car. But as you can see, literally less than 30 seconds, it covered half of the car. And I'm gonna go to the other side. Okay, used about half for half of the car. So I'm gonna go to the other side and just spray the other half. Very quick process. I'm pretty impressed so far. All right, finished with the whole car with a little playing around, and wow, look at that. Very nice coverage. Obviously, I have to wipe this down now, and we'll do a final wash after this. But the Foaming Canyon 2 Daily, right? I think that's a brand, works great. The head is very useful. Unfortunately, I lost the 40 degree the first time I used it. So make sure you don't lose those heads by make sure the fitment is fully situated before you start spraying. Yes, very impressed. For less than 18 bucks, I don't think you can go wrong with this Foaming Canyon. Okay, I know there are many other like a lot more expensive Foaming Canyons out there, chemical guys maybe. You don't have to spend that much money. This one works great, and it comes with so much attachments. Great for car washing. All right, hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, please do hit the like button or subscribe to the channel, and I'll have more similar videos coming out for you guys. Thanks again, and take care.